Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Got the first one, y'all. Joshua.
Oh, come on. I hope it come on. Coming over here.
Good, I got to put it on the bump board. Joshua, go over there and throw out while I throw all that. Throw it close to the bank because they're trying to get out the sun. First fish. First fish. There you go.
Ooh, had a bite.
Got one that's faster. All right, guys, fishing at this very secluded place, very private, guys. Got on my first one today, guys. First cast, first fish. Let's go. All right, buddy, play nice. The heck is the wind coming from? Josh, take it easy with it. Don't be screwing on those bolts and nuts and stuff. I mean, the whatchamacallits.
Where do I get a backlash on that electric
I am. Can't get my hands on it. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. See, I told you they cool. All right, guys, let's get this guy back in the water. Let's go. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that very much. Joshua, I think this is a bigger one. Joshua, look how big this fish is. Joshua, this thing is big. You got to move. Go down there and throw it along the side, man.
Oh my gosh. That thing is huge.
He's a little bigger.
How big is that?
I don't know yet. Trying not to hurt you, buddy. Oh man, this fish is definitely bigger. Let's see if we can get a come on now.
How big is it?
18 inches. All right, guys, out here, I just caught the second one. And he's even bigger, guys. Let's go. Throwing the sexy sad chatterbait and the bronze color chatterbait. Let's go. Let's see if we can catch something else. All right, guys, let's get him up. Let's take a picture. All right, guys, let's get this guy back in the water. Thanks, buddy. Really appreciate that. Josh. Got another one, y'all. Stay down, buddy. I don't know how big you are. Yeah, he ain't that big, though. He not that big. You got off. Shouldn't I tell you? Look at tell y'all. Don't put your foot on him, Josh. Let me help you out. Get your foot off of them. You don't want them to see that.
Try to keep it still.
Way to go, Joshua. Grab him this way. Yeah.
Go on, Dad. Hold on, what's up? It's a bass. Is this what you call a bass? Hold this.
Yep.
Give me a picture.
Yes, sir. All right. Good shot, man. What'd I tell you? Shot, man. Joshua, come on, man. Joshua wiped the slime on me. Come on this side. It hangs over there on that side. Yeah. Yeah, come on this side. Throw towards some trees over there. Not too close. Yep. Take your reel to your right. Yep. To your other right. This way. Josh, this way. It hangs over there. Yeah. Good shot. Oh no! You should have brought him closer to you. Should have brought him closer to you. I got that though. I did get that. It's a little one. All right, guys, got that little one on the chatterbait. Let's get him back. Thank you, fella. Thank you for coming out to play. You tore my bait up. Oh man, I know I can't put that back. Let's see if I can still use it. Let's see. See what it looked like. I might have to replace it. Let's see. Okay, it might still work. Okay. Okay, might still work. Okay. Might still work.